Thank you for choosing Anchor Industries as your tent of choice. Today, we will be walking you through the steps to install your hip-to-gable end NaviTrac frame tent. Before you begin, consult your local utility locator service and survey the area. 4 experienced installers are required to assemble the NaviTrac. Utilize NaviTrac component list for a complete parts ID checklist. Hip end install. Square the tent. Refer to our video on tent squaring for a step-by-step guide. Layout end module components. Insert peak ridge weldment into intermediate rafter. Hook end rafter fitting into peak ridge weldment. Construct first beam. Make weldment connections to construct first beam. Three, assemble hip end top frame. Install opposite eaves, rafters, hips, and hip braces to complete rectangular frame. Install fabric. Secure top fabric with rope. Insert fingers of wheeled panel guide into open end of rafter and weldment. Use pull ropes to pull top fabric up and over through channels in rafters. Let fabric hang loose. Connect guy web and stake through ring at end of ratchet at a 45-degree angle. Lift top frame. Using NaviTrac frame lifts, lift one side of frame. Slide uprights onto bottom of weldments and pin. Lift other side of frame. Use frame lifts to lift other side of frame and insert uprights into bottom of weldments and pin. Tensioning and guying. Drive stakes through base plates. Pass tensioning webs through catenary ring. Attach guy web and tension downward. Gable end install. Layout end module components. Make connections to assemble first beam. Stake base plates before erecting frame. Insert diagonal beam brace into pad eye weldment and pin. Attach upper ends of X cables. Erect beam. Lift first beam at the peak. Drop bar fitting over pins in base plates. Erect second beam. Lift second beam at the peak. Secure second beam. Drop one hook end of bar into eave fitting to secure. Install ridge bar. Use lifting cradles to install ridge eave bar at peak. Install X cable bays. Rafter X cables are color-coded red. Thread cable eye nuts onto each bolt to secure. Upright X cables are color-coded green. Thread cable eye nuts onto bolts to secure. Install purlins. Use lifting cradles to drop in purlins. Install ridge bar. Use lifting cradles to install ridge eave bar at peak. Complete gable end frame. First install gable end upright. Install both gable end eaves. Install guy webs. Attach guy webs to eave weldments and stake. Install fabric. Insert fingers of wheeled panel guide into open end of rafter and weldment. Use pull ropes to pull top fabric up and over through channels and rafters. Install two-piece gable end fabric. Insert fabric into wheeled panel at eave. Use pull ropes to pull fabric through channels and rafters to the peak. Secure lace line with Fastex buckles. Lace two-piece fabric together and tie off bottom loop. Tension top. Tension guy webs and ratchet tight. You did it! You have successfully installed your hip to gable end NaviTrac frame tent, and it's time to enjoy. Takedown, reverse installation steps. This installation video serves only as a summary of install steps. Please refer to the complete instructions found on our website for full product information.